My doctor hates pharmaceutical drugs. He gave me the recipe of this home remedy. Many of the diseases that we contract today can be easily combated with antibiotics. Hence, when we go to hospitals, the first thing doctors do is give us a dose of this drug. The antibiotic is responsible for strengthening the immune system, which fights the disease. If you do not want to go to the clinic to get this medication, continue to listen. In it we will tell you how to prepare a potent natural antibiotic in your own home. One great advantage of this homemade and 100% natural medicine is that it has no side effects. Therefore, we will not be afraid to administer the appropriate dose, because we are not in any danger. Its preparation consists of only 2 ingredients that can be obtained in any supermarket. These ingredients are nothing more and nothing less than honey and turmeric. Pay attention to the preparation mode. Natural antibiotic 100% effective and safe. What we will need: turmeric powder 1 tablespoonful, honey 1/3 cup, hermetic glass bottle. Preparation and use. Preparing this remedy is fairly easy. All we have to do is mix the turmeric and honey in a container. When we get a homogeneous substance, empty it into the glass jar and seal. This substance will let it rest all night. After that, we can take it. When we feel ill with the flu or an infection, we will consume this antibiotic as follows: ½ tablespoon every hour during the first day. On the second day we will consume ½ tablespoon every 2 hours. Finally, ½ tablespoon 3 times a day on the third day. Even if you are not sick, you can consume 1 tablespoon of this antibiotic 3 times a week. By doing so, you will be preventing many ailments and you will feel healthier.